Hello. In this video I would introduce about the Samsung Galaxy S23, Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S23 series consists of three models, the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Galaxy S23 offers the same power and performance that the larger S23 Plus does in a more compact package, making it easier to use with one hand and less expensive. It has a smaller screen size, less storage, and slower charging, but it is still a powerful phone with sub-6 and mmWave 5G compatibility and an AMOLED FHD Plus display with an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. The base S23 model starts at $800 for 128GB storage. The Galaxy S23 Plus is slightly larger than the regular model, with a bigger screen and battery. It offers faster charging, more storage, and excellent cameras, making it the perfect choice for those who prefer a larger screen and top-notch performance. It also features sub-6 and mmWave 5G compatibility, an AMOLED FHD Plus display with an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, and an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. The S23 Plus starts at $1,000 for 256GB storage, with the option to expand up to 512GB. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is the most expensive device in the S23 series, with top-notch features including an S Pen stylus, excellent performance, and cameras. It features a super high-resolution camera and a built-in S Pen stylus, making it the perfect choice for those who want a device with premium features. It also comes with sub-6 and mmWave 5G compatibility, an AMOLED WQHD Plus display with an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, and an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. The S23 Ultra starts at $1,199, with 512GB storage as standard. All devices in the S23 series run on One UI 5.1 based on Android 13, with a promised 4 Android OS updates and 5 years of security patches. Thank you for watching and see you next videos with our Knowledge and Research channel.